special request for Super Mario cookies. Super cute and simple to make. What better way than to start with Toad's face, filling the face area with cream. This is so cute already. Smoothing out and shaping the icing. Already, and these Toad's cookies look amazing. Filling in the cookie with yellow icing. These cookies are super easy and fun to make. Time for some egg cookies. Using the same process. To create a piranha plant, you need to flood the entire cookie with white icing. Smooth the icing and start with the next steps. This process is satisfying to watch. With these detailed instructions, anyone can make these Super Mario cookies. This wouldn't be a Super Mario theme without the cute yellow stars. On to the next idea, outlining and flooding the entire cookie with brown icing. These brick cookies are too delicious to eat. And our last idea is here. These flour cookies will leave you speechless. Fill the stem area with green icing, then let the icing crust over. We love all these ideas, and we can't wait for you to make them.